This is on the 5th floor. Yeah, the living room, dining area, and you have a balcony, but it's like a sunroom enclosed with a better view, but no view of the city or whatsoever. And then from the entrance to the left is bathroom with granite countertop, a closet with a washer and dryer, the small washer and dryer, and then the room, pretty good size room, and closet space.